Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for this delicious Nashville hot bang bang wings. You all are going to love this, and I want you to save this recipe so you can make it for your dad this Father's Day. Today's recipe is being sponsored by AMCO, with brands such as French's, Franks, Bragg, Mountain Peak, Lucima, Caribbean Dreams, Naturally Almond, and McCallum's. We're going to start this recipe with our washed and cleaned wings. I'm seasoning lightly with salt, and citrus seasoning or an all-purpose seasoning would also work, or complete. Next, I'm going to go in with some liquid aminos. This is very similar to a soy sauce and it's really delicious. I actually prefer it over a soy sauce for this recipe. Some French's Worcestershire sauce, and some bitters, just a few dashes of that. Now we're going to give this a good mix, and once mixed in, you want to allow this to marinate for at least 1 hour minimum. Cover and refrigerate until you're ready to use it. In the meantime, let's make our sauce. So I have mayo, and I'm going in with Frank's red hot sweet chili sauce. And I'm just eyeballing everything, but all of the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box. So instead of sriracha, we're going to be using this Nashville red hot buffalo wing recipe, and some more Bragg Liquid aminos. Now give this a mix, and you want to taste and adjust it to your taste preference. So if you want more of the sweet chili, you add that. If you want more of the Nashville hot sauce, you can add that. And once it's mixed in, you set that aside, and then we're going to fry our wings. I'm doing naked wings here, but if you wanted to coat it in a seasoned flour mixture, you can. I'm frying these off in my Bragg wok. If you are interested in owning a wok like this, I've leave the link in the description box for you all. So these will take anywhere between 12 to 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size. If the wings are really tiny, 10. If they're in the middle, which they're medium, I would say 12. And if they're huge, 15 minutes to fry. And once they're done and they're nice and golden, drain it on some paper towels. And once all of the wings are drained, we're going to give them a wonderful bath in that sauce that we made. So add the wings to the sauce, and then just toss to coat. Mix, 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 because you want the wings to be coated really well, and every single inch of that wing must have this sauce on it. This sauce is so delicious. I feel I like it better than the sriracha version. So I so want you all to try this. And that's it. All you have to do is serve. It's great for dad this Father's Day, or if you're entertaining, I promise you all it will be gone in seconds. So try this recipe. Let me know what you think. And thank you to AMCO for sponsoring today's episode. Now it's time to taste. And I promise you all, it's so good. You all have to try this. As they say, shut the front door. This is gonna blow everyone away. Try this recipe and let me know what you all think.